You already massive.
Just let me make sure.
Okay.
Yes, let me make sure.
So I'm off. Wait, no, take the two from my hand. My work starts from here. Okay, let's do. Okay, so wait first then. This thing is not healthy. Wait. Why are we doing this thing like this?
That we need a plug.
Yeah, we should have gotten like 15 amps.
No, 15 amps cannot fit in.
Okay, we don't have 15. We do have an adapter now. Okay, but anyway, do it, sha, but we should do it neatly next time. That's it. Let's see. Let's read what that is. Yeah. Is there, why? Are you the one that made with cover?
So it's not supply
Why? Because this is
because meter is on tower. It's a prepaid meter.
so should we close it?
So now if we close it, we'll not open it again.
Why?
Yes, because if we close it, that's a clear tamper code we need to clear the tamper. And if you open it again, it's going to tamper. And to get the clear tamper code, we're getting it from China. And it's a process.
So are you saying we're not getting output from this?
We're not getting output from this currently. Now, but as at yesterday, we were getting output. That's why we could get up to 2,000.
Yes, but why?
So that means that the relay inside is like.
I understand what you're saying, but so fix it now. I need electricity to come out of the
That's what I'm
meter.
saying. If we let's be sure that we're done with whatever we're doing here. If we cover it now, we will not open it again.
Okay,
If you understand.
I understand what you're saying clearly. I get you clearly.
Because of the nature of the meter.
I know, I understand. So to measure the back points. Okay. Well, so this is what we're going to do. Turn it off. Me, I'm a low voltage person. I don't play with these things, right? Alright, let's take this. Let's take this. Do you remember where we moved that one from? 15. Okay. So let's go direct now. So pass this here. Pass it there. Just pass it there. I want to read what supply. No. Use another line. Use a new line. Is the masking tape coming?
It's coming.
Okay. All right. So what I'm doing now is this: we clearly know that this passed 230 volts, right? Yesterday, we read it here. So clearly, when we are done, I will put the tamper, I will put the case back, and it passes here, right? We know it will come in here.
Yeah.
But now we don't now know why this was not working. Yes. So we're going to test it one after the other. All right, great. So we have our 230. Can you turn it off? Okay. Oh, wow. Where the issues? Wait, that's coming interesting. 14 and 13 is these two here. So now we remove this. Oh, wow. I know. Maximum voltage I deal with is 12 volts. Okay, so oh, thank you. I understand your question. Why are we using an external relay instead of using this contactor? Is that the question?
No. So when there's a relay, and even the contactor to serve.
You get. So for us to be able to do that, we cannot just load directly from here. Because this is one. You understand? So we have to do something called a buffer. So this is the buffer. You understand, right? And then come with a load. So this is 10 amps load relay, which is the buffer that will now load this one. So if any issue happens here, it's this one that will be gone, not this. So it's just like you want to dock this a big person and a small person, right? You don't dock them together because one may overpower the other one, right? And put the person at risk. Create a redundant person who is expendable. He will take the hit for this because this person is more important than middle person. This is also more important. So that's what we're here. Hello?
Not the very long one, it's a shorter one.
Okay, let me send this now. Let me send it now. Sorry. So what I want you to do for me now is this. I want you to remove this. But before you remove it, label it. So it's not like this. Label. So you know what you're labeling? See the number 9. For me, I'm using the up one. So 41 and 11. Yeah. Label it properly. Label it. Then when you label it, disconnect it. You remember where this one came from? Are you sure? 10 and 15. I gave you one thing that doesn't.
Thank you. Yes, please. I wanted to do something. Sorry.
11 and 31. Where is it at? Yes. So now, see from here, this thing is like this. So come here. And when this on, so on, that's how you get the orientation. You see? So now, see here.
There's nothing wrong with this relay. You saw it come on, right? Have you tested it like that before? So, nothing wrong with this relay. So now we're going to now pass it. 14 and 13, don't make a mistake. If you don't unscrew it, it must go all the way in. You know, don't tighten it too much, then you break it. You should be tight, but not plastic.
China is a
No?
see you know. Right. A lot to watch.
13, 14, not bad. Now, pass to light here.
Before it's in sequential. So always make sure the line is straight. Always make sure the line is straight. Do you understand? This to this.
So this is what you do. I don't know how important it is, but I think it is important. You should know the polarity here. So you turn on this and use your tester to check.
No, I'm saying I just searched for it. I found it now. I'm saying it now.
So back. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm saying it now.
Where's the
I
tester?
sent the wrong one initially, not right.
You don't know how to use it. No. Put it in. Has to contact. Don't force it. Wait, let me show you something. I will switch to the flat.
Okay, so here's the thing. Let me just tell you something. So I know you want to check polarity, right? Transformer doesn't require polarity.
See.
Yeah. That's life and mixer. But the transformer doesn't
So
require
this is your neutral.
polarity. There you get me. So we don't need to, there's not much here. But we know light should be on the other side.
This is life.
Yeah, this is live on this. That's what I said. Transformer. Just put it anyhow.
And it's single phase too.
Yeah, don't worry. It's even if it's three phase, don't worry. Transformer. What is good to if you turn the lights to the other side, you see if you are.
Are you done? Yeah. All right. Put the second one inside. Yes. Yeah. Good.
No, what now? And that's other meters, just other meters do not have it.
Is this off?
Yes.
All right. So we power on. I know. Yeah. So that relay is working, right? Okay. So what's making noise like that? Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Okay. Okay. All right. Good. So leave it on now. Usually, when you're doing this kind of stuff, you isolate, keep isolating till you you build the entire frame of it. So now we will multimeter. All right. So now, so we have 14 and 13 all check. Where's the bar? So this is working. Good. Good. So now we need to check normally open, normally close. So this is the input, right? 12 and 9, right? 12 and 9. Where's 12 and 9? So 12 and 9 is at the bottom here. 12 and 9, right? So that's input. So this is input flow, right? So if I pick, here, right? Normally closed is 8. Normally open is 4. So this is 4, right? And this is 8, right? So this should read here. Because now it is 8, it is closed. When it's on, it's closed, right? I turn it off, it should off. Yes. You get. So it is reworking. Do it again. Now this should not read. But when you turn it off, this should read now. Turn it off. You get. So this is working. So we test line 2. This should work because this is normally open. 4. So now we're on the other side 1. So 12, 8, 4, all working. So normally closed means that this is when it will be on here, right? It's off here, right? So let's check for the other side too. So we're in 9. Remember we did 12. We're in 9. Input 9, right? It's off. On. Let's test. Right? Off. Okay, good. Now on. It should pass. Off. So that this stuff is working. So now we pass it back into the main supply. Hello? So that's the main one actually. You should just find all the ones that are yeah, that's the main one actually. That schedule. You should put the schedule IV or what's the schedule name, the number actually that we're even talking about. What? What did you say? What did you say?
It's 7.1.10.
Yes, it's 7.1.10. Yes.
Project schedule.
Yes. So the design work shall commence on the day immediately following the execution of this agreement, and the developer shall therefore proceed diligently with the preparation of approval South Korea, Hungary, Japan. You don't make mistake. You just make a fool of yourself.
Because right now the connection there.
41 and 11. So this is the relay. No, this is the transformer. This is the relay, right? So where did they say 41? Where did you say 41? This is 41 neutral. Okay, this is 14. Where did you even say 41? 12 and 9. 12 and 9. See it here. 12 and 9. See, 12 and 9 goes to, you say A2 and A1, which is on of KM. Which means, did you see it? Of KM. KM. That's really. It's KM of contactor. Yeah. Right? And 9 of, so of A1. But then they said 19 and 12. 44 and 14. Then 44 and 14 here. They deliberately did this thing. They don't want you to get this thing right. So Chinese doesn't make mistake unless they want to just screw you over, right? So that you're not able to solve it, then you have to fly in their experts to do it for you. You get it? But they hardly make mistakes. I'm even sure that this is not a mistake. But anyway, let's just do what we understand. So we're going to energize this now. Chief, and this should energize, right? So at this point, because I am a low voltage person, why didn't you connect? Why did you remove it? No, connect it back. Connect it back here. Connect it back. So celebrity engineer, this is where I take my leave. I'll stand at that place.
Why?
It's low high voltage. Borderline.
High voltage, I'm saying, it's just 220.
I know. You don't hear what I said? The maximum I work with is what? 12. And there's no protection here. We're not wearing any. I'll give you people.
Is there any need to cover it?
No, I'm not covering it. I'm just making it stand. He's afraid of breaking it. Pass it. Hey, hold on first. Let's be sure. Sorry. It's tight, right?
Yes.
You're good. I wish you all the best. Sorry, let me. Did you energize?
No, it's not.
Try it again.
The supply. I'm not sure if there's supply coming up from there.
Okay.
The supply is not coming up from the lower terminal.
Wait first. Oh my God. So you connected it to normally. It's normally closed. Yes. No. I think I know what's going on here. I know what's going on. So what we're having now is what we call overloading. You know what overloading is? Yes. So this cannot drive this. So this load is too much this cannot drive this. So we need to put an isolator here, a transistor matrix here. Do you understand?
But this contactor is controlled by both AC and DC at some point.
But do you understand what I'm saying?
The configuration, I want to explain something. Configuration for this contactor is that whatever it is, whatever signal this meter sends out to this relay, that will make this contactor either switch on or switch off.
That is layman's approach of how it is. Now I'm telling you that this is something we call overloading. I'm going to show you the theory of it now. This will never ever pull this. That's what's happening here. That's why you see this thing, not that it's not on. Turn it off. Just disconnect one wire. Turn it on.
Now, what just happened is because this multimeter is placed on auto, right? That auto can read anything: DC, AC, resistance, anything, right? Now, because it's placed on auto, when you read it with this terminal connected here, you just read this coil. Yeah. So the value you are getting there.
So now I'll put it on AC voltage.
It has to be on auto, so if there's any mistake.
No, wait, man. See now, it's still not bringing any supply.
That's because this B is here. It's programmed to send power from here to this place, not from here to this place. So there's no connection from here to this place. So the power that comes in.
Wait, hold on. There's something that we did not do here. There's no input. Yes. There's no input.
That's why
it's not possible. Please connect this thing back. There's no input. Connect it back. There's no input. There's no input from 12 and 9.
Right.
What were you expecting? There's no input. Just connect it back, get me another wire, then we'll pass input into it. Then to this one. Yes. Do you understand? Can we use this wire? Yeah. So I understand what you are saying, right? I get what you are saying. What I'm trying to tell you is that if we had powered it and this didn't fire on, that means there's overloading happening. Overloading usually happens when you do not have a transistor, they call it bridge rectifier, in between here to handle the load that this one will drop. Remember that thing I told you? This person is bigger than you. You want to pull him. How can you pull him? He will pull you. You understand? There's higher resistance here than here. Right? So now we've connected it now. So at this 12 and 9, this is 12 and 9 that we remember we did as our input. Right? So now pass your positive, pass another positive and negative in here, take here and pass it in. That's the one that will power this.
What happens to this?
This is to power this transformer. This is transformer power. Well, you call it relay, but this is you're just powering the transformer. This is the one that will come from here. Do you understand? This is the one that will come from here to power this transformer.
So you're saying this relay here and this base can take two inputs.
Yes. In fact, ideally, what should happen is that from this one should loop inside here, and only one should come out to here. So from this point, we're going to take 2 points in here and we'll loop out and come out here. Do you get what I'm saying? Do you understand what I'm saying? You don't get it? Don't worry. Let's do it first then. Yes, so let me explain what I'm saying to you. So a relay, this is the picture of a relay. Now, it has, this is your transformer, right? Either positive, right? You have powered it. Then here, it has something like this, right? It has this, right? Here is input. Are you with me? Here is what?
Output.
So it's normally open and here is normally closed. So when this thing is fired, this latch will leave this place and it will come and join here. So there's a, this thing will break away and come and join here. So it will now pass this input. Instead of the input going this way, it will now come this way. Are you with me? So now what we did simply was that we connected this. Let's assume that this is one line. You know that there are two lines. So it has two of these. So this is input positive, this is input negative. Are you with me? So this is negative, normally open. So there's another line here, negative. So this is positive, this is negative. Are you with me? So what we did was we only passed light here. We didn't put any input here. Then we now came out here as normally closed and passed this into this big transformer. Are you with me? But there's nothing here that when it switches to, when it latches here, it's empty. No power is entering into that transformer. Are you with me? Do you understand? So you can either tap your input from here and here, right? Or you can have his own dedicated line. Can you split this? Forget that thing.
They're supposed to control this. So all that we can no, I said. What is it now? So that's how they're facing it. Yeah. So that thing you have is cut that you press it so that it's cut. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Small. That's cool. They're not They're not the engineer guy. And those one
Congratulations. Okay, so now please masking two.
Okay. Easier to do.
Thank you.
I wanted to get this one is the control, and this one and the power.
So when we want to now put it, you know which one will go for which now. So you see your two inputs. Have you seen your two inputs here? Then let's do this. You do the second one. Masking tape. In plus, in minus. Then, yeah. Where's your life? This is your life. This is your neutral. This is your. Last one, that one you're reading is life. Oh, positive. Positive is life. Look that thing now. Yes. So that it will enter. No. So don't let any extra show. Shut outside. Let everything go in. Small. Go. Have you labeled? Yeah. Enter. Are we good? That's it. Is it good? Okay, so. Okay. Yes. Yeah. In there very well. Great. Great. All right now. Yes, the part. You decide. The part, right? The part. Wait first. Part now. Yes. That's why I was moving. Okay. No, me, I'm not hydrated. I've already given you my. You didn't burn. You didn't burn. But it has switched. It's on, right? Is it vibrating? Yes. Did you give me the power to touch it? Are you sure? Feel it. Yeah. That's it. It's alive. Are we good? I say you should forget those people's rubbish. Yes, so that you will not get it. Do you understand? So those guys, they don't make mistake unless they want to just screw you very well. Then you fly them in. This thing is humble now. It's live. Next thing now, what we need to test now is heating test. Right? So you first put your hand here. If this thing is getting hot, there's a problem. Wire test, so that you are sure you have the right gauge. Hot, hot, hot. Or the check for this one too. Easy check.
So because the load, whatever is happening here, it's not resting on this levels. So it's supposed to
go at all, because this is just a simple pass through.
Exactly.
You understand? So now what we're going to do now is we're going to do some secure testing.
Capture take off
for the camera. Low footage. Our last one it's very loud. Yeah. This one is even more loud. I don't usually hear when somehow do boom. Sometimes it's compared to YouTube. So
you experience 800 amps or 1500 amps.
So now, the next test we are going to test is we need to do continuity test, because load is coming in from here and coming out of here. When it's power, we want to be sure that this and this are meet, and when they disconnect, right? So we do simple load test. Where was it? On how to escape. So let me repeat that. Okay, yeah. You say it.
When this closes, they're supposed to be connecting between side and side. It's doing a continuity test to confirm that there's connectivity between side and side. And they all provide for this to confirm.
All right. So I'm checking first continuity test. Ongoing.
Is it on auto?
No, it's not on auto. It's on.
I suggest any leakage of voltage.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I take all precautions. This is I'm taking many precautions. Don't worry. Eh? I'm on simple continuity. Hmm? Alright? So now we're going to do bridge tests. No noise. No noise. No noise. No noise. No noise. Yes. No noise. No noise. Bridge test. Positive done. Now we're going to turn it off, and this is the scary part. I have to now hold. Wait, hold on. Turn off. Yeah.
That's why I mentioned that you will hear it again.
Yes. So no continuity. No continuity. No continuity. Bridge test. 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 Transformer secure. Oh yeah. Try it again and on it. Man, that was too much for me, man. Turn it on again. On. Yes. Okay. So
Never had one. What's wrong?
so now before we want to proceed, do you want to call Tomowa to just look at this before we now uncouple? I think you should call him first. So he
then connects from the meter.
well engineers we always call people to certify stages. So call him, let him certify the stage, then we'll move to meter now. Right? All good. So we move to meter now. So you know that thing of where when you now finish it was working versus it's not working. Ah, guy, now chill. Sorry. Please, can you be guessing, please? Yeah, I think you should call it. To fly in, to bring them in.
I used to buy their box because the box is expensive.
Yeah.
So keep fighting every time.
Yeah. Okay. So I was telling them that usually what we do is that when we phase out stuff, before we do final integration, we always are the senior engineer right here. So you certify, and then we move to the next, right? That's standard protocol, right? So can you repeat that process now again? I don't like the sound. So
The sound of the conductor.
yeah.
Oh. This guy, all of them.
What is time? We're on the timer. Yes. So
Yeah, that's good.
active and vibrating.
Yeah.
Touch the home.
Yeah, I can even hear the home.
It's all
The sound
live.
of Jeff.
Yes. So it's live. So where the mistake, where they were doing it is that what basically around they put come here and on here. Yes.
I don't know why the Chinese do this. I record them. Why do you Chinese do this? So you have to do that part out. But they do it on purpose, is what I think.
Yeah.
In fact, one of the things I'm drafting right now is a strong. The API that they sent us was rubbish. Our OEM sending us, all the other people sending us
Chinese
they're sending
API.
us, huh?
Chinese API. But guys, it will be written in Chinese.
Even if it's written in Chinese, it's okay. Do you understand? As long as it's correct. But they're not giving us, do you understand? Like they give us, I'll show you the API that they give to us. Right.
So usually what we do when we get these things, you just have to sit down, the engineers sit down and you just figure it out yourself. Right? Because it's physics principles they're using. It's not outside physics principles. So now that this is working, what we'll do now is that we're now going to transition because we did a isolated test.
This is from the
supply here.
What's the CB? Okay.
So we did an isolated testing here.
Okay.
So isolated testing is test input.
Okay, so you're just powering directly.
Directly, yes.
Okay. Nice.
So
nice.
Because we could guarantee that this has 220 already, right?
Yes.
Now we now need to know if 20 is coming from meter.
Yes.
If 220 is coming from EC, from TTP, right? Those two things have to be guaranteed. Then they will go in here.
Yeah.
And the meter will not be the one to power this thing naturally.
Yes.
But now we know that the transformer is working.
Yes.
This contactor is working. This is working.
Yes.
Now this is what we've not checked. But we are sure it's working because we saw.
That's all you just need to do is to replace this
with
live
this.
and this with live.
Yes, and that's all. Then have you done tests for this?
No,
Currently,
we haven't. No, we haven't.
It's not working because there's no supply coming out from here.
I know, but I'm saying that this is
working.
this one is supposed to measure current through the line, right?
Yes.
To be sure to know if current through the line and then pass that in there.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what is that supposed to do?
So this is the energy meter here, records whatever current.
Okay, so this is just current measuring.
Exactly.
To store into the meter.
Yeah. So to be drawn, if it's on prepaid mode, it will be drawing down your unit in per kilowatt hour. If it's on postpaid mode, we can do that because we have a postpaid, so we can even switch it out. Do you understand? So this is already in prepaid. You can see it. Then in postpaid mode, it will be then counting. You understand? It will then be counting. So that,
Yes.
Yeah. Now but I guess we'll cause that.
Well, you have that sorted out, right?
Which one?
I mean, like all these things you said now. Like ideally, have you tested like current
one of our cities working currently.
Yes, even in a site.
with this?
On this TTB, the meter is
Postpaid.
Okay, so what you want to just add to it is this part.
So this connection here is a prepaid connection.
Connection.
Prepaid connection.
Yeah.
So let's do that. So we'll load it then we'll call you back.
Okay, cool.
Please turn it off.
Sorry.
Turn it off. Time. Yeah. So yes, what are you reasoning?
That means that's supply now. Expanding this here. Should be the one that will come from the meter.
So now we have to now look at what the two
So that
supply.
when supply units, there should be a chip of yes from the unit.
Yes.
Exactly. That's
So it's going to be
in the direct.
that's what I'm checking. Normally I usually like to run this thing for a while. At least do 30 minutes to an hour. See, the wire is already soft. Did you notice? The wire is soft.
That's how it has been.
Yeah, it's not like this is 2.5, have you? Or
So that's
1.1. 0.5. For safety, let's just gauge it above. So that it has long life. You know? Let's use something like this. Just for long life analysis. And prosperity. Exactly. See, let's just do it that way. Imagine if you had put your hand in that middle and that thing does come and it does bang. What do you think is going to happen? Okay, so this one is coming from TTB. You call it TTB, right? All right, coming from TTB. And what is this? So this one is the one that is 10 and 15. 10 and 15. So
No, that's not the one.
this one this is the one that goes. So what you do now is that we remove. So 10 and 15 will now be to in, right?
This one is fine.
Huh? And so see this in, this 13 and 14 that I put here, eh? This 13 and 14 is one that will go to 10 and 15. So 14 and 13, eh, will go to, right? 15, 10 on meter. Yes, please.
Connecting to the one that's carrying
Huh?
the one carrying
According to
the carrying the not the one carrying the
what's that question again? Sorry. Hold on. Do you understand the question?
Yeah. Saying that we're connecting the meter to the load to the panels.
Yes, remember I told you about that buffer. You are the guy in the middle. So we could ideally have gone through this, but you see this papa that is happening, there's current draw. That current draw, with matter of time, will burn this relay. So what will happen is that, see, this relay that is here, after maybe let's say 1 year or 2 years, we don't know what it can be. If it just burns, the technician will just go there with just one plumb and put it back in there. And it starts working. You will not need to change the whole meter. You understand? So all he's going with, he can put this in his pocket rather than having to carry this in his bag. This is so if you look at this is more expensive than this. So that's why we isolate this as a buffer. This is expendable. This is not expendable. This will never ever burn unless I can never ever burn unless you pass 11 kV directly. And so this so the surge, I don't even think it can burn. You know why? Because the surge will only happen from surge will never happen on this line because it's carrying single lines. I don't know if you understand my point. It will not happen.
the thing is, sorry, the thing is, situations where the voltage of current will bypass this, bypass the breaker, such breaker is supposed to chip and just come here. It might not damage the contactor as per contactor, but you see this coil here, damage.
That's what I'm saying. This because this is 220 volts. The surge, the potential to surge happening is lower than a big transformer that is carrying 11 kV. Do you get it? 11 kV that you are feeding 11 kV into a transformer. If the surge is bigger. This is just 220. This is home use, right? So the risk is lower than if it was higher, right? So what we're going to do now is that I'm going to remove this 14 and 13 and I'm going to pass it to 15 and 10 and 10. You come and do. Then this input of in plus and minus in, right, will now go to these two. All right, now you guys come and do it. So one person will handle, I think they should do it. So then direct them. You understand? Then direct them to what to do. But as you are doing it, relabel. So when this one enters, relabel. And you may just wrap it. You may just wrap it round. You may wrap it round. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Like apart from 15 and 10 that you are passing in fresh inside, these two you don't need to just take it. Thank you. More this yeah. Remove it and put it on the So later on, all these ones that you have here, you also label them. So it's easy for us to, all these ones when you don't pass here, and all these ones too. Just label them so that it's easy for us to know. Then that's what we'll now use to create our own diagram. Because we're going to create our own diagram that corrects this rubbish. Then is that one we'll not be using, we'll not use this one here. 15 and 10. Did it go well? All right, so no. Okay. So the other one for all of them. Okay. Aside that, I think we should sign. Can we sign? Are we signing this week? Tomorrow? Okay, I will do meeting tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Now I will sign quickly. All right, no problem. No, it's all right. Thank you. Thank you. I'm still here. Available. Don't forget me. Thank you. I know, but it's evening. It's evening. Evening. Around 5, 6. I mean, like in the evening now. I will close work with them. Oh no, not now. No, no. I'll just go in the morning here, and in the evening I'll close from here. You know? Yes, you can plan it for evening. Yes. Yes, 4. So by the time you are done and you are coming out, you now carry me. Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you. I'm so grateful. Thank you. All right, bye. Is it labeled? Are you sure? I'm not seeing a label there. Okay. What's the labeling on that one? So anyone that is input, so if it's this input 13, whatever it is, just 5. Is it 5 that is on the number there? Is it 5 on the number? It's now 12. So you have to remove that one. Remove it completely and write the correct number there. 12 in, then plus. You see it like that. Something this. 12 in plus. I think this one, we don't need this one again. You secure that black stuff with a second one again. Then when you secure it, you on top of it you write KA. Then on this one you should write KM. Secure it too. But KM. Then on this one This one that fed in, what did you feed it in? This labeling is wrong. 11. Is it 11? Is that 11 now? Isn't it there?
It's 5 and 8.
5 and 8. Yes. So you change it there. 5 and 8. Then at this side here, you write 8A1, A2. You understand? So it's too close. Sorry, bring it out. So I no go hit, no go wrong. When is your lunch time? Huh? 8-2.
No.
It's past our long time. 24 minutes past long time. Once we power this one and it works, we just let it go. So what will happen is that you have to cover the meter, right?
We'll do that.
You should cover meters.
I will come out.
I am sure that the tamper thing will be all out, Abi. The tamper thing will be out.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Secure a double side. No, not like that. No, hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah, cross it. Thank you. Like this. Oh, it's too short. So wait, this one is not working again, Abi. Which one? You didn't secure that one very well. Make sure you secure properly. Oh.
So that's
One thing people need to buy is two-sided gum. Those stickers, those ones that they have both sides are blue.
Yeah.
You put it under, then we stand it. It will just stand.
this thing is supposed to actually be as a base, but not what that's it.
You have money for me? So you have money for me. Secured? Secured? Check for continuity now. Are you all done? We change it to 5-8, A1, A2, 10, 15. Which one is plus? 15 plus, 10 minus. Sorry, hold on, sir. 10 minus. Always carry the polarity. Minus, plus. Is this still 14? No, now.
31.
14, okay, 14, yes. 14 and 13. 14 and 13.
It's not correct. Okay. I've seen it.
Yes, it's 14.
Yes,
Sorry, please hold on, sir. Yes. Chief, why didn't you just, why did you remove this one and bring it out? Let it be. Shana, don't twist it. Huh?
No,
Yes. We're sitting it on that side. Take ma. Sit it there. Sit it there. Untie. Untwine. Now, tape it. Tape. No, no, no. Don't twist it. Take it. Yes, the short wire. No. Tape. No, now why are you mising this thing? No, now what's going on with you? You take a long one. No, that no.
Let's make it long.
It's fine. Tape. Wait, no. No. Wait. Leave it. Just leave it. Okay. Tape. Hold on. Hold on. Then you take this one too. Twice. No. Don't let. If you notice, I'm not letting the wires touch each other. Yes. Tape. Then tape here too. Tape. So this one, remove it. I don't like the way it's locked up here. Remove it from here and pass it over this one. Wait. Oh. Okay. No. Put it back. Put that one back. Yes, put it back. Is this one you remove? Move that one. Yes. Right. This is the under. Yes. Now pass it like this. Yes. Pass it like this. Thank you. Good. So now tape. This is source, have you? Supply. Okay. Tape this supply first like this. Now tape. Celebrity engineer. Let's close. Let us close. We're done.
This one. Okay. 1960. No, no.
Come on like this.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Wait, as I've closed it now, you shouldn't open it again, have you? Okay. Just want to make sure the yes. Leave that. Okay. So I think that so we have KA. When we power this thing, if everything works out well, Um, shit, we didn't do something, sure, but we did. We're supposed to have tested continuity.
Okay, to confirm that.
But don't worry, don't worry. Let's pray that you did it right.
I still open it. No, it's
Not put light. Uh-huh. Yeah, sure.
Yes, 100.
100.
Yes. I think that that's the
Let's test continuity to show that you understand. Edit, tested. Tested. So that one is the one that's powering that. So what again did you put? Did you change this one? Huh? You just passed it straight. Straight, right? All right, I think we're good. We proceed.
job. I'm coming from.
Hold on. Power item. Okay. Is there units in it?
now clear this.
There's units. Many units.
So you clear it and then.
Once I clear it, no longer clean that.
Mm-hmm. Good. When you're done, I'll hear it here. Oops, sorry. Oh, why did you turn it that way?
On this capture.
Oh, okay. It didn't work. So what? Have you opened it before? Has it been opened before?
Yes.
So it work? Okay. It didn't work. The tamper is still there. I'm passing on. Next time, what we're going to do is that once you pass out cabling from meter, huh? Once you bring cable meter, we will open it. Whatever you want to do, yeah, once you've checked and everything is okay, we will not open it so that we don't have this issue again. I guess yesterday we were in a hurry. You do what? Okay, so you're asking them. Easier, WeChat. Oh, will you reply you now? They won't. They are 9 hours behind us. Anyway, when you get that thing, it's supposed to trigger. Yes. I think everything was done properly now. So you tried all the ones that they gave you. What is it telling you? Okay.
They said the other device. Yes. Now, why don't you work?
This is showing that you have units. How many units?
Twenty.
Okay. Did you try it?
Yes, no, not yet. I want to just confirm.
You say use.
No, I did not need to show you.
Because it's not even it's not for this one. Mm.
That's
How long would they reply? How long does it take for them to reply?
most times till the next morning.
Yeah, because you are 9 hours behind.
Really, like 7 something. Sometimes that particular guy, the response.
So wait, hold on.
Okay.
Anytime I'm communicating with these people, always include the number so that the one that are generating,
Already sent it.
so you will have carried it here again. This one you tried, it didn't work.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought I gave you a two. Where's the one I gave you?
So that's the one I was.
This one.
This is the first one. This is the one. This is the one I was sent. The other one I tried was something else previous.
But I thought you said you had a clear tamper
This is a clear tamper.
that he just said.
So this one I was sent this month, but you know,
You didn't
this,
work.
this one is the meter number.
So why is this one not working?
So it's possible the generator is on a different SGC. That's why I'm confirming to him now. This meter is on this SGC. So the generator is on this SGC.
Oh, okay, it's done. It's gonna work, right? Once it comes on. Yeah, once it comes on, everything will part. Right. Everything will work. Are there any questions? Yeah. Yeah, thanks. Oh yeah, Mike.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh, Chimo. Emergency. No, I don't even know his name.
There's no dispatch. It's more into programming kind of stuff. Maybe to be honest, it's not it. Maybe should I let me capture answer.
Okay, that
She goes, no,
this is the
say, can I take a picture of him and this? I don't know. I'm going to say, okay, sir.
of him and this. When you don't do anything,
When you just the only contact of,
you run away.
of course,
They whisper in your head, run away.
of course, I'm a nice person.
Abi?
Is that how you used to? They will know you're not the one that did anything. They will say, why you having 20 rooms?
That's now why I tell you, no, they go name and method. Thing will hold you. Life never shot this guy.
If your supplier and your ring pass, they don't come say, hey, how I went. Is this how you went? With your rings, fairly high rated. Don't try it.
Tell you. They pray. You don't know what to touch. You know how they cut out your screwdriver.
I'm not supposed to look at you.
Like spoil it.
Don't do anything. Just keep your hands steady. I'm not making it. I'm just taking it. I swear they want me to smile. Yeah, this is still a smile.
Don't be serious for this.
I can't snap you until stop smiling. Alright, so okay, I'm going to this picture. Okay, inside the picture. And when you go see for a love, I think before I'm surprised that we're going to the meeting. He has not smiled.
No, he's forcing it.
Who is that?
You can see his mouth forcing it.
Really? I look clips. I don't look down.
You think it's
No way. Sorry.
But thank
still like that? Still as if you're seriously doing something. Well, you know you're not seriously doing something. You know you can look at the camera so that they will know that you're the one. Who's this guy?
I have no idea. Well, like say they operate the meter, that's the buttons on the meter. 1001 functions. 1001 things you can do. Don't send any commando.
Mando, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Pink lips. You can't help it. Oh, no, snap it now. They love the last two weeks.
Black, be careful. What is that? Not more like this.
I'll do so.
No, I need that one. It's my response. You beg, you should be snapped with this. I don't like
I'll do it.
it's more like that. You actually like it.
Okay.
Let's go office.
Which one is the more reason that
GV stuff.
which one is the
Yes.
oh, no, because there's no contact.
You say you don't come this up.
No. Hopefully, make the hands out. You don't like me the nonsense. Songs go over to China.